Okay, so this is David, the first one who came out the cage originally. And since he came out like 5 minutes, 15 minutes ago, I'm going to put him down and let one of his other friends come out like one of the teenager girls. Okay, now this one is a nice one. Come on.
Wow, I'm scared, Kelisa. How are you doing this?
I just know. Happy Sunday.
I don't think none of them.
These are these birds.
Well, let me see how the other bird is doing. Wait a minute, you getting this one out?
They're just nudging.
Oh my goodness, I hope he doesn't fly around the house.
This one is about this. These two are brothers, really.
Oh wow! Look at y'all two.
Their mother had 4 eggs, and 2 were boys and the other 2 were girls. And these are only the boys. Again, this one has his head so strong, while this one, he's got the noses, and that one's out exploring. Now you just go find your brother. Where's your brother?
Wow, they're totally walking around. See, y'all could get outside too if y'all would just let me take you and put you outside. Because I believe in birds walking around freely without cats around.
Yeah, that's why the cats are in the bedroom.
Yeah, the cats are locked up in the bedroom. Y'all don't need to be afraid about nothing. Damn, this cold is really pissing me off. Alright, back to the walking birds. The free birds. I know why the cage bird sings. See, you don't see this one singing, right? You're not singing. You walking around. Yeah, you happy.
And this is one older. Come on, give me an arm.
Wow, look at them.
On my arm. Okay, 2 legs. Come on, hold on.
Whoa!
Whoa, that was a good landing.
He totally flipped on you, Kelisa. You alright?
He was about to fall. That's why. I wanted this one to be.
Whoa! Wow, that was beautiful.